welcome to the channel, welcome to my garage. This was supposed to be the first video on the Series 3 2.25 diesel. I was supposed to be doing the engine strip down so I could get all of the parts. Didn't get it rebuilt, but it's not going to work. And I'll show you why in a second. I've never seen this before in my life. Yeah, the engine's toast. Right, I'll flick you around and show you. Obviously, I've stripped the cylinder head off, and two of the hotspots dropped out, and it's been running for quite some time with the hotspots out, because I don't know if you can see that's actually melted. And what it's done is, if you see there's a definite right angled lip where the hotspot sits. On that one, where it's been bouncing around, it's worn it out. There's no fixing that. It's not worth even trying to fix, though. Sure, it can be fixed. There's no lip at all in the top. Sure, it can be fixed, but it's not worth it. Which I could live with. I've got a spare cylinder head. I could put a head on it. Wouldn't be the end of the world. And then you get to the block. Right. Cylinder 1. That's all right. It's all right. There's no wear there. Cylinder 2. There's about a millimetre. It's actually pummeled. The hotspot's pummeled into the head, and there's actually about a millimetre drop. Cylinder 3, that's fine. Yeah, that'll live another day. Cylinder 4, wow. Never in my life have I seen that. How long this has been running, clattering, banging and underpowered like that, I'll never know. There's no wonder the engine had no compression. That is unbelievable. I've stripped a few engines down, never seen hotspots do that. So yeah, this I don't know what to do now, really. Well, I do. Anybody got an engine for sale? Yeah. So yeah, that pretty much concludes that, really. I wasted a lot of time, and it's dead. I mean, it's not the end of the world, and you can't find an engine somewhere. The only problem is there's plenty of engines out there. The only problem is we're in the middle of a frigging pandemic, and I can't travel anywhere to go and pick one up. So, bugger. Yeah, it's actually a low mileage, well, fairly low mileage engine. It's only done about 70,000 miles, and it's had one owner from new, but it was used on a farm, and the guy that owned it stripped it down because the chassis was wrong. Now, we didn't realise, I mean, he is a mechanic as well. He's a good mechanic. He builds a lot of classic minis and stuff like that. He does really good work on them. How he didn't notice that I don't even know how it was running. They must have been smoking its nuts off, burning oil left, right and centre, and massively underpowered. But I suppose when all it does is potter around the farm, it's neither here nor there, is it? Right, so yeah. That's buggered that. Right, I'll source an engine, see if I can pick one up from somewhere. If I can, then yeah, get back to you with another video at some point. Thanks for watching.